Osuuspankki at Kotka. Käyn in monospace.
Yep. Oh.
Boring interior.
Yeah.
Only one word.
Yeah.
Oh, but
Nice floor.
it's not so boring.
There's mirror in here. Basement is open or not? It is open. What's this one?
This actually looks like bad.
Yeah, built in 2009. 11127015. 8 persons or 6 in total rooms.
Yep. Oh, look. It's,
What?
no, it's better than normal.
Well, the floor is nice and the mirror kind of thing is nice also.
Yep.
But otherwise it's quite crappy.
No,
And it has glass doors.
no, most pieces are pretty good. The fixtures are pretty good. And the
I don't know.
and the glass door is
Look at that concrete face.
oh, there's a kitchen.
Are you gonna go cook some food?
Yeah.
This floors might be locked off. It's a little bit tiny.
Mm.
Because we're like this.
Yes, but by Kone.
Yeah. According to its size, it's a 6-person elevator.
But
Yeah.
it is a safety thing to
Yeah.
that the capacity is more than the cat fits.
Not the first floor.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
This is quite boring, so that's why.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, but broken ring. Kauko-Helsinki, what do you think? Is this better than Lappeenranta's Osuuspankki?
No, it has much better cabin. It's hydraulic.
Yeah, but hydraulic? It's mini space.
Yeah.
Jolly doesn't need any more hydraulics.
Yeah, but I thought it was Säästöpankki, but yeah. Yeah. But it's scenic elevator, so
That's it.
that's